Hi there, I'm Aaron Armstrong and welcome back to another K-Wall tutorial video. Today we're going to be talking about Accorbis and adding an accordion component into a landing page. So to start, we are going to go to the Content tab, and from here we can either create a new piece of content, but for the sake of our demo, we're going to go ahead and edit an existing landing page. On the landing page content type, if you go to the main content tab, this is where your components are going to live. From here, you can see the different existing sections and components that we've already created. For this demo, we're going to go ahead and click Add Section, and I'm going to give it a container class, and maybe I'm going to make it 2 columns, and we'll put 2 accordions side by side, kind of like an FAQ kind of section. We'll click Save, and we can see our section with 2 columns. So let's go ahead and click the plus icon to get our list of components. At the top here, you can see accordion, so go ahead and select that. And from here, we get our section title, which will be an H2 that appears above the accordion. Aaron's Accordions. And then for each accordion item, you have the ability to give it a title, a body, and decide if it should be expanded by default or not. Typically, you do that just for the first element. So Aaron's test item 1, we'll expand that, and we'll just put in our own bit of text here. And then we'll click Add Accordion Item so that we can add another one, another accordion item. We'll put in the same text for now. And why don't we do that 2 more times? Test item here. And last accordion item. And let's go ahead and click Save. From here, you can see we have our list of accordions along with our title above it. And you can see that the first one is opened and the rest are not. From here, let's go ahead and duplicate and drag one over. And that way you kind of have your, your FAQ type of style where you've got a list of sorted questions and answers that are set up in an accordion style. And from here, we can scroll down and click Save on our page so we can view and see what that looks like on the front end. And that we can also interact with the accordion elements so that we can see them open and close. You can also see that it always only has one open at a time. And we can do that on the other one over here. And it's as easy as that. Thank you very much.